Welcome to Cobalt Tutorials. In our previous video, we discussed setting up your dues schedules as the second step in configuring your dues renewals. In this video, we'll discuss setting up your dues options to define different payment options and often different product options for customers. Let's begin by navigating to the dues schedule that we created. We go from Membership to Dues Cycles to the basic dues cycle we created to the professional dues schedule. Click the plus icon in the upper right-hand corner of the dues option subgrid. This will open a blank dues option. You'll receive a dialog box asking you to update the duration. Click OK to keep this the same as the dues cycle. Typically, organizations have the same dates or terms for each dues option as the overall cycle. However, this can be set for different dates or terms if you want to offer different options. A frequent example is allowing members to pay for multiple years or 1 year. A 1-year membership option will match the duration of the current cycle, but a 2-year option will have an additional year on the duration of the option. If you don't click OK on the dialog box, you'll need to enter the information manually. For this example, the system has already set a duration type of dated and a begin and end date of 3/1/2020 and 3/1/2021. You'll need to add a name, default setting, and publish the portal value. The value for dues schedule will auto-populate because we opened this from within the dues cycle. For name, I'll choose Full Payment Option 1 year. I'll set default to yes. Note that every dues schedule needs one dues option to be the default. If I toggle the system to no, notice that I get additional fields to set the availability dates of the option. This is useful if you plan to offer things like early bird or late dues options where prices may vary from the regular renewal period. If the customer attempts to renew within the dates for one of these options, they can access the default or other option. Outside of these dates, the additional option will not be available on the portal. I'll leave default as yes. I'll set Publish to Portal as yes. Options that are not published to the portal will not be available for customers, only to staff on the back end. Click Save. You now have a dues option which can have dues products added to it and can be selected on the portal or in the Process Payment Wizard. Thank you for joining us for Cobalt Tutorials.